Welcome back to Flat Creek Digital. We're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to do offsets using Inkscape. There's two different ways. This way is just kind of a quick way to do a little offset, just using a stroke, adding a stroke to your text. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click on your text. Go up here to your tool section. You're going to choose fill and stroke. Okay, here's your fill, and then stroke paint and stroke style. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to stroke paint, and we're going to add a stroke to it, and it's going to give that effect of an offset. And you're going to go here to flat color. I've already have it set to white, but to change your stroke color, you just hold down Shift and choose any of these colors below, and you can change your stroke color. Go back to white. Okay, and now to change the size of your stroke, you're going to go over here to stroke style. Right here where it says width, you just up your width on your stroke. You can do other options. You can make it more rounded, and just it'll change different effects. But for here, we're just going to change the size just to give it that offset look. Okay, and that's super easy. It's quick. It doesn't look as good to me as doing an official offset. The offset just seems a little bit more crisp to me. So I'm going to show y'all that method as well. So it's a few more steps. So you're just going to click on your text. You're going to duplicate it. Okay. And you go up here to path, object to path. Back to your path, and you're going to do path effects. Okay, this little window is going to pop up for your path effects. Hit this plus sign, add path effect. All these options are going to pull up, but you're just going to use offset. So click on offset. It'll come up in this window. Then all you're going to do is where it says offset is just up your offset to whatever size you would like it to be. I try to do at least 150 to give a good outline of your text. Okay, and then you just go here and change it to white. Go up here to your layering options and layering it behind your text. A quick and easy way to get it lined up is you can select both your text and your offset. Go over here to align and distribute. Make sure it's on last selected, and do center on vertical and center on horizontal, and it'll put it right there in the middle for you. And that is it. Two different ways of doing an offset. Let me know if you have any more questions or any other videos you'd like for me to make, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.